This song is about a brave knight named Tristan and a beautiful princess named Isolde. I hope you enjoy the song and the story, which is included in the description below.
In the dance of sun and moon, two hearts beat as one. Tristan and Isolde's love, so true, eternal as the morning dew. Nature's rhythm, ebb and flow. Through their love we come to know that in the tapestry of life, love conquers all through joy and strife.